Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video. This is video number 145. And yeah, we got our earnings last night. Things are running real smooth. So this was 2 days ago. My last video, 0.37%, made 82.12. So last time we made 0.35%, made 77.91. So it dipped a little bit, but that's how the Forex market works. It's going to go up and down. It's not going to be consistent every day. And so if I go to my finance page, or actually, sorry, my investments page, I'll see what I'm at here currently. So I have $1,302.92 American. I've made that in the last 28 days, guys. So I just have, so actually today would be 29, later on in the evening. 30 would be, today's Wednesday, as you can see right here, Wednesday. So this evening, 29, Thursday would be 30, and then Friday's 31, because the investments expire every 31 days, guys. So as you will see, the balance transfer date is on the 16th. Today's the 14th. So the end of Friday, I'm going to be getting whatever this is, this amount here, this monthly income, with the addition of 3 more days, because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we didn't earn today because we earned tonight. And whatever that amount is, it's going to be going to the top right here. And I will then have access to the funds, which I'm most likely going to do. I'm thinking $600. I'm going to put $600 back in. So this will be 27,200, guys. And I'll just take the rest out. I'll divide it by 2, and I'll just take it out every 2 weeks. So that's kind of the way I'm working it out, guys. Is I have it set up so that because with my job I get paid every 2 weeks, so every off week I'm going to take out half the amount. So for example, like week 1 I get paid for my job, week 2 I'll take out half the amount, week 3 I get paid for my job, week 4 I'll take out the second half of the amount. So that's kind of what I've been doing. So basically every week, every Friday, Saturday I have money coming in. So that's kind of how I wanted to work it, guys. Of course, you can do whatever you want. You can take the money out whenever you like. But I just like the fact, and knowing the fact that every weekend that comes by, I have money coming into my checking account. It's the greatest thing ever, guys. So just think, I've made $1,302.92 in 28 days, guys, just for having this money right here invested in the Forex market. As I go along, I'm going to start putting money in these other Forex investments so I can start earning on those, so I can have all these 3 running, which will increase my earnings. And that's kind of the goal with that. So if you guys want to be a part of this passive income, you just having your money in the system, and it just makes money like this for you. Also, as you can see, this is my all-time earnings. So since I joined in October of 2020, I made over $26,807.69. So it's very exciting times, guys. So if you have any questions about S Group, you just kind of Google searching or YouTube searching, and you come across my video. First, I want to say thank you for clicking on my video to check it out. And I'd be more than happy to go over the details of S Group if you have any questions. My email address is in the description down below. And also, if you want to sign up, there's actually a sign-up link just below this video. It's my referral link. You have to be referred in by somebody to sign up in S Group. So you can sign up underneath me. I can walk you through everything: how to get your account funded, how to get your account generating income for yourself passively. You don't really have to do much, guys. Just have your money invested in the S4X market, which is what I have, and you can start making profits like this. So I just wanted to make a 5-minute daily review video, guys, like I always do, so that way you guys can see my account, my progress. It's going to be exciting. I'm at, by the end, in a couple days, I'll be over 27,000, and in the end of July, I'll be around 28,000. I'm going to try to push for 20,000 by then, and by September, I want to be at 30,000. So I'll be making much, much more money then. So also, guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below the video. That way you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can see all my updates and announcements and progress and everything with the S Group company here. And it's going to be exciting, guys, once I get to this tier, 50,000. It's going to take a while because I'll be at 27,000 at the end of the week, and Gotta work my way up, but it is what it is. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.